Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to private your account on Instagram. How to private your Instagram account. Now let's get started. First after you open your Instagram, you just click on a profile icon at the bottom. And after this, in here you just click on the three likes icon at the top, click on it, and in here you just click on the setting, and in here you just click on the privacy, click on it, and in here if you wanna private your account, you just click this icon, click on it, and then click switch to private and finish. So that how to private your Instagram account. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy this content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.